In the summer of 1942, the world watched as the Eastern Front of World War II took a dramatic turn. This was a world at war. A conflict that had been escalating since the late 30s, now reaching a fever pitch on the expansive plains of Russia. The key players were drawn up, on one side the colossal Soviet Union and on the other the formidable Nazi Germany. Stalingrad, a city of steel and smoke, sat strategically on the banks of the Volga River. It was more than just a city, it was the lifeblood of the Soviet Union's industrial capacity and a vital transport route from the oil-rich Caspian Sea to northern Russia. Its capture was a prize that could tip the scales of the war in favor of the victor. With its eyes firmly set on Stalingrad, Nazi Germany launched its attack, marking the beginning of a bloody and brutal battle that would last for months. The Battle of Stalingrad, one of the longest, deadliest and most ferocious battles in the history of warfare, commenced on August 23, 1942. It was here that the German Wehrmacht launched its audacious offensive, sweeping eastwards towards the heart of the Soviet Union. Yet the Red Army stood resolute, their desperate defense of the city becoming the stuff of legends. Stalingrad was transformed into a labyrinth of destruction, the stage for a brutal ballet of urban warfare. Every street, every building, every room became a battleground as the two armies clashed in a deadly embrace. The Soviet Union, employing a strategy of attrition, bled the German forces dry. Then, in November, the tide turned. Operation Uranus, a masterstroke of Soviet strategy, encircled the German Sixth Army. Cut off from their supply lines and trapped in the icy grip of the Russian winter, the Germans were left to starve and freeze. The human cost of this epic struggle was staggering. Soldiers and civilians alike endured unimaginable hardships. Food and ammunition became as precious as gold, warmth a fleeting luxury. Yet amidst the horror, the spirit of defiance never waned. The city's defenders, fueled by a fierce determination, held their ground. By February 1943, the German Sixth Army, once a formidable force, was surrounded, starved, and ultimately forced to surrender. The end of the Battle of Stalingrad marked a significant turning point in World War II. The aftermath was devastating, with the city of Stalingrad reduced to ruins and a staggering loss of life. The Soviet Union mourned the death of nearly 1 million of its soldiers, while Germany and its allies lost around 800,000 men. But amidst the destruction and despair, the battle had strategic implications that would shape the course of the conflict. The Soviet victory at Stalingrad was a severe blow to the German military machine, shattering the myth of its invincibility. It was a morale booster for the Soviet Union, instilling a newfound confidence in its ability to resist and ultimately repel the German invasion. The victory marked the start of a series of offensives by the Soviet Union against Germany, gradually pushing the invaders back. The battle served as a catalyst, shifting the momentum of the war in favor of the Allies. It was a turning point on the Eastern Front, signaling the beginning of the end for Nazi Germany. The Battle of Stalingrad is remembered not only for its brutality, but also for its strategic importance. It is a stark reminder of the human cost of war, the resilience of the human spirit, and the far-reaching impact of strategic decisions. The Battle of Stalingrad, a testament to human resilience and strategic prowess, changed the course of World War II and left an indelible mark on human history.